Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm in a complete different space that you guys have no idea where I am, I'm sure, but some of you may recognize. We are in the garage. You guys can't see them, but Babe, Tyler, and Sarah is up there. I'll tell you guys what they're doing in a bit. Just let me say hello properly to you guys. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. If it's your first time to the family, make sure you subscribe right now. Hit that notification bell right now. That way you don't miss whenever we upload. It's bright and beautiful here and sunny in France, but we're in the garage. That's why I have on a little sweater. On Sundays, we teach Tyler how to ride his bike, and he's been doing so good. So today we decided that, hey, we're coming back down another Sunday to try and get him to master his bike riding, because he's been showing a lot of progress. So I have Sarah's tablet to distract her while when I kind of focus on Tyler a bit. So as soon as Sarah gets weary, I'll just put her in her chair, also bring her chair where she can sit and watch Tyler ride. But yeah, we're here to teach Tyler how to master his bike riding. Sarah, you want to come and sit? Sit, come, sit. And sit and watch your tablet. Come, sit. Sarah wants to sit and watch her tablet, she can do so. But yeah, make sure you guys enjoy today's vlog, and of course always give it a thumbs up. I'm going to go assist Babe in helping Tyler how to ride his bike. You guys will see everybody and say hello to everybody in a bit. But yeah, let's focus on Tai right now. Come on Tai, you can do it. Look in front of you.
You see, that's his biggest problem. He can't, and that's why he can't do it. Because he can't.
He's doing this.
Right, he can't stay like
Stay
this.
in one spot.
In one spot. You have to be like this.
Why are you turning the bike?
So
you don't need to turn the bike.
No, you need.
But taking your balance, you don't need to turn the bike.
The balance is, once this move, the balance is. Okay, you don't have to do that. When you do that, that's wrong. You need to go straight. You just hold it and you go straight.
Come on, you can do this. Get ready. Position yourself. Ready? Ready? Go back. Go on. Doing that. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Pedal. Keep pedaling. It don't matter how the bike going. Keep pedaling. Never stop pedaling. Listen to me. Listen to me. You go in there if you want to go in there. It's where you hold the bike. That's where the bike goes. If you hold it to go that way, it go that way. If you see yourself going that way, look. If you see yourself going that way, you don't want to go that way. You just turn the bike like this, you don't stop pedal. No matter what, you don't stop pedaling. Did you hear me? If you see the bike going in there, you just turn it out. Get on the bike and sit. Just pedal. That's okay. Keep pedaling. Pedal. Hold the bike where you want the bike to go. Hold the bike where you want the bike to go. Pedal. Don't go in here. Don't go in here. The bike cannot ride in here. Keep going. Look at that. Very good. Come on. Very good. Now go. That's it. You're riding. All by yourself. You're riding. Keep going. Keep going. Ride. 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 Why are you going like that? Because I'm swinging the bike. Hop back on the bike. Let's go. We ride. Pedal. That's it, baby. Come on. Go. Keep pedaling. Go on. Keep going. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. That's it. Keep pedaling. Go. Stop talking now. Come on. Keep pedaling. Where you want to go? Where you want to go? Where we want to go? Come on. Where we want to go? Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? That's it. Come on. Keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Where we want to go? Where we want to go? Why are we swinging? Come on. Keep pedaling. You can do this. Come on. You're on your own. You're on your own. Come on. Keep pedaling. That's it. That's it. That's it. I'm making dinner and I'm making chicken. I have chicken breast in here. I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm doing. So in here I just have some olive oil in the bottom and I put the chicken breast to just slightly cook on each side. Now I'm adding some seasonings to that, and then I have to go fast because I don't want it to overcook. Now I'm gonna add some spinach to that. I'm adding in all this good spinach. To this I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. That looks so good. It's so good. Alright, I'm gonna add a little tip of water to it and then I cover it just for a few minutes and this bad boy will be done. And then over here I have green beans, broccoli, and just some mixed veggies or chickpeas, corn, just some tin veg I throw on it. So you see, that's how we're looking. This looks good and we're basically ready. We're ready short. Alright, so chicken's done. Potato is done, veg is done, and rice done. Alright you guys, this is Sarah's plate. I'm still trying Sarah with these vegetables even though she don't like it. I keep trying it and see how it goes each time. She might just give in one day. And that is Tyler's. Now these are cooling so they can eat. And then Babe and I gonna dig in. Guys, say hello to the faves. You guys haven't said hello to faves all day.
Not one.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's the end of the day. We are all exhausted, but we
You're exhausted? Where are you exhausted from? The amount of sleep you sleep today, you probably sleep too much.
Yeah, I went to get too much sleep, so now I want to sleep. No, I'm fine. I'm fine now. I'm with Sarah. Sarah is playing a puzzle for the first time. I see her playing that. She started. This one is hard.
Yes, Sarah, good job. She know where they to go. Apple. Where does the apple go? She said eat. Yeah!
Bravo.
Good job. Circle.
Is a ball.
Ball.
This is second. No, pas là, ça c'est.
She see it, she find it, she find it.
Good job!
Sarah.
Oh.
Star.
Let's see.
What about the circle, Sarah? You have the star. Where does the star go? Yay! This girl motor skills is just improving by the day. Good job, princess.
She's interested.
Oh yes, oh yes. Usually she don't like this one, but it's the first.
She's gonna start the 1 to 10 and ABC that is in the living room.
The mat?
Yeah, the same one than this,
Oh, okay.
but with the number.
I'm sure if you give her now, she'll know where they to go.
This one she's trying to see,
But it's in the living room.
this board in the living room. That's it, Tyler. Okay, banana.
Is the last one.
See if she find where the banana to go.
No.
Oops, no,
No.
no, no, no.
Voilà.
Sure where it's to go. Encourage her.
Ici. Ici.
She find it. I think she find it.
Is the
Good job, Sarah.
She'll take it out and put it
Oh yes, she put it in and give you the face like that's where it's to go. Good job, Sarah.
job.
Yay! Take them out and give her them over again.
You want to do
The
that?
other one.
Sarah? Want to show faves? Look.
Show face this one, Sarah. Come. Do this one with Papa.
This. C'est la moto.
Good job. Look, so she can put them in her face. Good job, Sarah. She know where to go. Yay! This one, where does that one go? Ambulance. Good job!
Motivated. The chain.
Choo choo! Good job! Choo choo! Car. Car. Where does the car go?
No.
No. No. No. Sarah, no. Yeah. Yay. Good job, princess. She's so cute. She's so cute.
Determined. Ah, you have a good
All
one?
right. Yeah, my day was good. My day was
cool.
good.
That's the first time, so that's just showing that Sarah
Has
starts to have
improved.
much more sense and can do a lot of things now. We
yes.
can start to play a lot of things with the book, with the board, with that will be a new things. And
I'm happy that she start doing this now. I'm happy that she wants to go again. Tell her throw those things in her basket that's on the floor, please. She wants to go again. She's so cute. Say bye-bye to Faves. Tell Faves bye-bye. Pick up the patty. Say bye-bye. Say night-night. Night-night. Say bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Give them kisses. You haven't sing ABC for them today. Sing ABC for Faves. ABC.
What already?
Sing now.
What already?
Tell Faves bye-bye. Bye-bye. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Night-night. You shave, honey.
I don't look like a sheep.
You look like you shave. That's what I'm saying, you shave. What?
That's okay. That's okay. I forgive you.
What?
I forgive you.
Forgive me for what?
Your attitude, your behaving.
You
That's-
guys. Look at my face.
Coming here to end the vlog. You look happy. You look smiling.
I'm fine.
You're fine. You're just fine. You're happy. Why are you happy?
Because your girl is in the ad. You guys, your girl is in an ad. Put the link down below and you guys can go and watch it. Don't blink because you'll miss me. So go and watch it and spam their comment with my name. And tell me, go and watch it. It's just a few seconds. Go and watch it and then come back and tell me what you saw and if you catch me. But your girl is in her first ad and I'm so excited. I'm so honored. I'm humbled to be amongst such strong women within the lineup of everybody that's in the ad. It feels good. Proud?
I'm proud of you.
Anyway, you guys, now we're ending today's vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoy. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys. And I'm so proud of Tyler too. Tyler is now biking.
You have a champion home.
He's pure champion. This happening in today's vlog.
Tyler is biking. Sarah starting her puzzles. What a day!
What a day! What an amazing day it is! Champion all around. Okay, this vlog belongs to champions.
I'm the only one that is.
No, you're champion in itself, my love. Just bring yourself, and that's enough is champion for you.
End the vlog. Thank you.
Anyway, you guys.